Hello and welcome back to Foodie Friday. I am Emily Layett, the teen librarian at the Tewksbury Public Library, and today we are making not one, but two recipes. We are learning how to make a Shamrock shake and mint Oreo brownies. We're going to start with the brownies. I used the Pillsbury chocolate fudge mix. You can use whatever brownie mix you prefer. You can make them from scratch if you want, but this is me going through using the mix. So you're going to follow the instructions on the back. For the brownies I chose, this meant that my first step was taking the mix out of the bag and pouring it into a bowl. Next step is adding the eggs to the bowl. As always, if you're worried about the shells getting in, you can crack them in another bowl and then pour them in. Next, add 1 cup of water. Following that, you will add 2/3 cups of vegetable oil. Now you're either going to take a spoon and mix it by hand or use an electric mixer like I am using. You want to make sure you get, as always, in all those corners, make sure there's no mix left not mixed with everything else. And make sure it's nice and smooth. I'll see you when we're done. A little side note here, I chose to use a different pan than a typical brownie pan because it would cool and cook faster. I used muffin tins and so made like little brownie cupcakes. You can use a regular brownie tin. All I'm going to say is the time it takes to cook will vary depending on what you use. So mine took 29 minutes at 350 bake, but if you're using a regular brownie pan, please follow the directions on the back of the box. So for me, I'm spooning in each little brownie tin and filling it up with the mix. I'm going to do 2 separate things you can do with your brownies to decide how you want to add the Oreos in, and 1 tin will have each option just so you can see them both. If you got this video from the library, please watch this full video and decide how you want to use your Oreos because you may not have enough to do everything for this and the Shamrock Shake if you want to use them for both recipes. You do not have to use them both. Alright, so one way to do this is to take a mint Oreo and put it fully in the mix. So when you bite that brownie when it's done, you will have a full Oreo inside. That is option number 1. Option number 2 takes far less Oreos and is breaking up Oreos and having them as a sort of topping on your brownie. You can do whatever you'd like, but as I've said before, if you got your supplies from the library, you may want to decide how you want to use your Oreos because you have a limited amount. Alright, let's get these in the oven. Like I said, for me, I cooked them at 350 bake for 29 minutes. That is specific to my oven and using brownie tins. So if you choose to not use brownie tins, please make sure you go by the back of the box. And that is what they turn out looking like. I highly suggest letting those cool before you bite them as we move over to making Shamrock shakes. First things first, you will need a blender. This is the easiest recipe ever, I promise. You are going to put 2 cups of ice cream, whatever flavor you'd like, but for this, we're using vanilla to make sure it has the correct taste. You can get creative with it after you do the original if you'd like. So you're gonna put 2 cups of vanilla ice cream in your blender. Next, you'll add 3/4 cups of whole milk. Following this, you'll add 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. You can do as many drops as you'd like, depending on the flavoring you'd like. But the recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon. To make sure you have that shamrock look, you need some green food coloring. The recipe calls for 10 drops of food coloring. I did not have the drop kind, I had the gel kind. So I just guesstimated how much I wanted. All right, put your top on your blender, and now you're going to blend until smooth. Now a reminder, the smoothness depends on you. If you like it a little bit more chunky, which you're gonna see as I pour this out, you can do that. If you want it smoother than that, you just put it in the blender for longer. So this is what your Shamrock shake looks like without toppings. But of course, we need toppings. I chose to add whipped cream and crush up an Oreo. This is the other spot you need Oreos if you choose to. You do not have to. You can also add cherries, sprinkles, whatever type of toppings that you would like. And ta-da! You have your Shamrock shakes and your mint Oreo brownies. We hope you enjoyed this Foodie Friday episode. As always, Foodie Friday is a monthly event, so if you are interested, please check our calendar at tewksburypl.org. As always, we would love to see what you created. Feel free to share it with us on social media or send us an email with your delicious Shamrock shakes and brownies. We hope you had fun, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!